Hey guys, today I'm going to check out this camera window that I received for reviewing purposes. It's a really small unit that I think that's going to come really handy. We got in here the instruction manual, the proper main unit, and let me tell you, as you can see, it's quite small. You have in here a memory card slot with a 32GB memory card already installed, the reset button, and upon this side we have the power port. It uses USB Type-C, which I think that it's really nice, and it has these two set of magnets that you can place upon your window, and that way you'll be able to place it upon, okay? And that way you just have to mount it like this, and it will be on your window without having to worry, and you can use it to record your outdoors, like a surveillance camera, or if your pets, if they tend to go outside, I think that it's a nice option. And let's see what else comes inside, okay? We got some clips for the cable, the proper cable, and a USB A power adapter, okay? It's this one, and this is the proper cable. As you can see, it's quite lengthy, so you can just place it and don't have to worry, which I think that it's nice. And well, let me configure the proper camera to set it up, and I'll be installing it upon one of the windows. Okay, so right now it's already configured and set it up, which I think that it's nice. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set it up on this window to try and see at night when some of the cats start fighting upon my shed, which I think that it's gonna be really useful. That way I can keep track of them with this camera, okay? And to install it, as I've said, you just have to take the magnetic film that you have right here and take the peel off, okay? Has a double-sided tape that we're just gonna go ahead and install. So I'll just go ahead and take it and place it right. So I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it like that. I'm gonna see how it works at night and how it works during the day, okay? So come on. In the application, we can access a timeline where we can see all the recordings of the day, which I think that it's really nice. We can also download the videos from here. We can see if there's being any kind of alerts. In any case that it detects something, you get the message or alert type up there, which I think that it's really nice, making it perfect so you can review it really quickly. With the live feed, we can use the zoom so we can have in focus whatever we need. It goes up to 6 times, making it really handy, and it's quite easy to set up. Just light it up and it will automatically set. What I also like is that you can adjust the quality of the video. If you want it, you can set it up on full HD or standard definition. You can access the microphone, so you can use a two-way audio voice controls, which I think that it's nice, and you can take photos or videos of the live feed. Well, I didn't catch any kind of cat fighting on the roof of my shed. I did find that it has a really useful and quite nice night vision. It has this clear view that you can have any kind of detail in the video, whether it's day or nighttime, making it a really nice camera so you can use it and leave it recording all day long. Okay guys, so overall, I think that this camera, it's a really nice option. As you can see, it was really easy to set up. It's quite useful with the application, and I really like it, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.